Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we will be unboxing a very cheap and simple solution to a lot of problems, to me at least. So this is a HDMI 3-in-1 switch. So that's like a 3-in-1 HDMI digital switch. Now what this basically does is when you have like monitors where you have like 3 or more plugs that you need to connect into it, but you only have one output, and you need to keep like taking one output and putting it to the other device, but you don't want to move it around. So this is one simple solution to that, and this is one of the most cheapest HDMI switches on Amazon at the moment. So there were rather cheaper ones, but this one has the highest rating among the cheapest ones. So this one costs about this one costs about 747 rupees on Amazon. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So out of the box, it's a very simple openable box, nothing much, just 2 pieces of paper. Yeah, that's most of it. So it just gives you the general instructions. So basically this is the diagram of how it works. So you have one output display, then the HDMI switch helps you connect to 3 devices. So here they have a PS3, a HDV, what's the HDV? Oh, it's like a camera, and then the HDVD, like a DVD player, high DVD player. And this is how the connection looks like. So you have one input which you can connect to your display and 3 outputs, simultaneous outputs, and some rubbish about inputs and other thing. So I will be putting up the picture of this specifications and other user manual on the blog, so don't forget to check out the blog as well. Now getting to further things, like I said, let's take out the wrapping. Here we need to get that sound. That's a very bad sound. Front and back. It has a very glossy background kind of thing. Now this, like I said earlier, this has like 3 inputs. This has like 3 inputs. Input 1, input 2 and input 3. There is a select button, and there's also LED indications below the select button. So there's like three selections, and then you can use this the select button to do, and you get like a 4K output out of it. I'm not going to use a 4K monitor for sure because they're very expensive. And yeah, that's most of it. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this product, don't forget to leave your comments down below, and if you're interested in buying one of these, I'll leave the link to this product as well below, so you can directly check it out on Amazon. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you guys soon.